So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here, and I am back here with another video of my Python series. But in this video I will not teach you anything. I am making this video just to show you something that I have using a lot from the beginning of my YouTube channel. I just wanted to show you this because if you saw this you will understand what you can make by learning Python. So this is a simple example. You can see here that this is YouTube description. So for my every video I make, I have to give a description of that video. So if I write every time the description from scratch, that's so time consuming and that's so hard to. So there is an alternative too that I can write that in a notepad or in a Word document and I can copy paste that, but there is a problem there too. When I copy paste that thing every time, I need to change the subject, the topic, and the previous video link and everything by finding where I exactly use that specific subject and the topic name and the link name. So that's so hard for anyone, I think, to find from a lot of lines where you need to change the subject, where you need to change the topic, where you need to change the something like that. I hope you understand what I want you to understand here. So I have just make this code one time and I have used only some variables and strings and the print function here, nothing else. This is so simple to make, and what this does is if I run this in my console, if I be okay, if I minimize this, you can see in my console that it has generated a description for me. But say suppose here we can see that in this video I have shown you the style attribute in HTML. Say suppose if I change this subject here, say suppose Python, and the topic will be simple project, and say suppose I changed the previous video link here too. So if I run this now, the Python will generate me another description. In this description I can see that hello guys, in this video I have shown you a simple project in Python. From this video you can easily understand how the simple project is used in Python. By learning this project, from here you can easily implement this simple project to your Python project. So you can see here that I have written this code one time, but I can reuse this code as many times as I want. Every time I just need to change only this topic, subject, and the previous link. Or if I am using another playlist, then I have to change this playlist here too. So these are so easy to use. These sorry for that, but this is so easy to use these variables and this string. These are the simplest thing we learned in our first, maybe in our second video of this Python series, Python variables and the print statement. So by writing this code, it has saved a lot of times of mine, and this is a simple example how you can use this Python for your daily work. So making YouTube videos is my daily work, and it's making it efficient here. So I hope you understand what I wanted you to understand in this video, that you don't need to learn a lot of things about Python. The things you learn day by day, you can use them to improve your daily life. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. So I will come back with another tutorial video of Python series. Till then, take care. Bye bye.